Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
The big difference between Windows 10s and any other version of Windows 10 is that 10s can only run applications downloaded from the Windows Store. Every other version of Windows 10 has the option to install applications from third-party sites and stores, as has the majority of versions of Windows before it. 3 May 2017.
Make your mark, take our lead.
The S-Mode restrictions provide additional protection against malware. PCs running in S-Mode can also be ideal for young students, business PCs that only need a few applications, and less experienced computer users. Of course, if you need software that isn't available in the store, you have to leave S-Mode. 31 May 2018.
Take our lead.
Do I need antivirus software while in S-Mode? Yes, we recommend all Windows devices use antivirus software. Windows Defender Security Center delivers a robust suite of security features that help keep you safe for the supported lifetime of your Windows 10 device. For more info, see Windows 10 Security.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Windows 10. Which version is right for you? Windows 10 Home. Chances are that this will be the edition best suited to you. Windows 10 Pro. Windows 10 Pro offers all of the same features as the Home Edition, and is also designed for PCs, tablets and 2-in-1s. Windows 10 Mobile. Windows 10 Enterprise. Windows 10 Mobile Enterprise.
Take our lead.
Windows 10 Home is the base layer that includes all the main functions you need in a computer operating system. S-Mode is not a completely different edition of Windows, but rather it's a version that is streamlined for security and performance. 16 March 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Google doesn't make Chrome for Windows 10s, and even if it did, Microsoft won't let you set it as the default browser. While Edge on regular Windows can import bookmarks and other data from installed browsers, Windows 10s can't grab data from other browsers. 13 July 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
Windows 10s will allow you to install apps only from Microsoft Store. Since Chrome is not a Microsoft Store app, hence you can't install Chrome. If you make the switch, you won't be able to go back to Windows 10 in S-Mode. There's no charge to switch out of S-Mode. 16 March 2019.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.